Hey guys, my name's Steven. Welcome to another episode of SRC Paradise. I'm here with the BE6S today. As far as what we're doing today, guys, not really testing anything, just gonna have a little fun bashing. I did throw the standard stock BE6S wheels and tires back on it. I'm running my 8000 milliamp 100C Zeee Lipos, and these are smallish size cases. I'm bleeding. These are small. These are still big packs, right? You know, they're a little bit wider than normal, or taller, if you will, because, well, they're 8000 milliamps. But I just wanted to show that it is possible to run these in the BE6S. This one fits on this side of the motor, like the left side of the motor. This one fits no problem. It fits right in the tray. It's snug, but the trays are plastic, and they do allow some flex, and it fits in there tightly, and it fits perfect. The other one on this side, you guys can see that, it would fit, but this, like the center transmission, it just sticks out a little bit too much. Even if I were to take this little plastic housing off, it still sticks out, I think, just a hair too much. So this side, I haven't really tried forcing it in there. I don't want to do that. So what I'm doing is I'm just running it sort of like on the tall side. Instead of laying it down like this, I flipped it up this way. And there's really not a whole lot of height difference. It fits in there fine. The straps, the Velcro straps, are super tight. I'm not worried about, you know, like a 1/4 inch difference, like in height somehow, like, you know, throwing the car off balance or whatever. I can't feel it. But just to show you guys that on the BE6S or the TRMT8E, you can run these huge packs in here and they will fit. Good Lord. It flips so differently than the Creighton. Much faster. BE6S flips way faster than the Creighton. Man, that was hard landing right on those, sort of like at an angle. Oh man, I cut it short. Oh, she's such a beast. If anybody wants just a pure, like a flip machine, this is it. BE6S is it. And it's durable as hell. Did you see that? I've been having crazy, horrible landings. There we go. Nailed that one. Oh, look at the wing. It's getting tweaked so bad right now. Oh, look at that. I'm amazed it didn't rip off yet. That is not full throttle, guys, just kind of playing around. Nice. Try that again. Oh, wide turning radius. Oh, dang it. Nice. God, this is awesome, guys. I wish y'all could experience this. I love hitting transitions. Oh my gosh. It just feels so good on the landings, you know? It's not as hard on the cars. Oh, I love it. The BE6S is the king of airs. The king of flips. I love this car. It's so funny. I go back and forth. It's like I love the Creighton, and I do, and I love the BE6S. It's like they both provide different, unique driving experiences. The Creighton, I think, just due to its longer wheelbase and slightly lower center of gravity, will allow you to get, depending on the motor and tire and gearing and all that, it will allow you to get bigger, I should say longer airs, I think, than the BE6S. And again, that's mostly due to its like stability, because it's a lower. The whole thing is just a lower setup. They're both so satisfying and gratifying. It's just a different type of gratification. Like, this thing feels wild. This thing feels a lot more wild than a Creighton. I'll tell you that straight up right now. It's super fast. Creighton is fast also, but this one, it's just rowdy. The Creighton has got better manners. It handles like probably better in some sense, but this one, you know, it's just rowdy, and I love it. It's like trying to tame a wild beast. I don't know where to jump. How about this? Oh. Not bad. Hold on. Pinion maybe, guys. Pinion maybe just gone. Oh, look at that. Diff maybe, guys. Front diff maybe. No way. Oh no. Check that out, guys. Holy moly. Did I lose a drive shaft? Oh wow! I lost a pin. Oh, that's no big deal. Oh, what a bummer. That's funny. So there's like a set screw goes in there. Let me turn this a little bit. See that, guys? I hope it's showing up on camera, but there's a hole right there in the axle, and there's a set screw, retaining screw, goes in there. On the BE6S, they're like the top third of them are threaded, and I guess it just backed itself off. Well, guys, that'll do it. The set screw on that front axle, I guess worked itself out, and I don't have like a spare one on me. It's really weird. I guess when I have some more at home when I repaired, I'll Loctite those in there. I had a great run though. BE6S performed awesome as usual. Let me check the temps real quick. I got my temp gun right here. Alright, so on the can I've got 98, 97, 98 degrees towards the front. On the rear I've got 102. That's funny. And then on the very back I've got 105, 106, 103. On the heat sink housing I got 98, 100, 102. ESC housing I got 77, 76. So that's awesome, guys. Now it is kind of cool today. It's in the 50s. But that's the ARMA BLX 2050 kV motor with the underwing heat sink. And I think I'm running, I'll have to double check, but I think I'm running a 16-tooth pinion and a 45-tooth spur. But again, it's only like 50-ish, 52, 53 degrees out. If it were like 100 degrees in the middle of summer, that might be too much gear for it. I don't know. We'll have to test it out in the summer, but so far I'm loving this setup. Cheers. Thanks for watching.